Good morning. Dito tayo ngayon sa Siena. Umatid kami ng binyag ng pamangkin ni Chin na si Kiona. Kiona. Bayaw!
Fiona as indeed a child of God. And number two, a
We thank you for the precious gift of our child, Fiona. We dedicate her to you today, and we ask for your help in fulfilling our role as parents. We ask for your wisdom, strength, and grace to guide us as we
Once again, maraming sorry, Bolimar! Si Lola Donnie na pagkama ng
The Lord Jesus Christ, because He gave Fiona to JM and Risha. Okay? Spirit, here in this place, so lift up our hands. Oh, our inaanak Fiona, please.
And of course, a picture taking po. And of course, another picture taking with our Wabuninong Joseph and Rile. Si Ninong Joseph po ba yan? Dito na. Okay, let's proceed to our Ninong Aldrin ng Bongkaya. Wow, mga congressman. Napakagwapo ng ating Ninong. Palakpakan po natin. And siguro with our Ninong Albino Sri Ocampo. This time on your daddy picture. Everyone get ready. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Yung mas masaya na may palakpakan. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday to you. look po, or second appearance si Don Pomelo and JJ. Doon po tayo magpapapicture with all the kids and together with our celebrant. Of course, and meron din po tayo ng nilang bubble show sa ating second part of the program.
Tayo ah, 1, 2, 3, Waki! Happy birthday po, video ka lang. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go! Happy birthday, Fiona! Ano po yung mas masaya? 1, 2, 3, go! Happy birthday, Fiona!
And once again, maraming salamat po